Hello everyone, welcome to Joseph IT again, a technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail auto reply option easily and how to respond to the emails when you're out of your office or town and just willing to send them automated emails. So first of all, I'm going to my Gmail. As you can see, I'm there. And from the right side, click on the gear icon and settings. Now under the general tab, scroll down and you'll be able to find vacation responder. By default it is in off position. Turn it on and you can set date from here. Suppose March 29 2020 is starting, and you can also choose the last day, and you're just going to set it as April 5 2020. Then it is there, and if you want to extend it, then choose whatever date you want. Okay, now the important thing is the message that you want your email sender should get is there, subject and message. So for demonstration purpose, I have written something. The subject is this: I'm out of town, write yours, and then the message body. Okay, it is written as, dear, I'm not there in the town and in a vacation for 7 days. In the case of emergency, please call me on this number. Thanks, by Joseph Volt. And now if I click on save changes, it will be saved, and from this date up to April 10, all the emails that I receive will be auto responded by Gmail automatically, easily. Save changes. Okay. And by this way, you can send your email senders auto reply with the message that you have chosen, you have written there. And that's a simple way of doing so. Hope you could learn something new and you are really benefited. If you really so, then please like the video, share your experience, your suggestions, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.